Unwind by the bench and enjoy the view any time of this day in this landmark every local knows. Standing right at the heart of this town is a destination for children to play, friends to gather, and families to make memories in. Wherever you come from, this is the town's huge gesture for your welcome.
Itong plaza po natin was built 2000 po, but it underwent major renovation or construction year 2022 and even changed the name from Plaza de Urbiztondo to Urbiztondo People's Park. So nagkaroon pa ng improvement sa mga facilities, nadagdagan ng mga attraction like the Children's Park, the Koi Pond, and addition po yung food street po natin where different foods are served po para sa mga turista natin. And of course po, yung monument po ni Rizal, which was before po nasa side po siya but now nasa center na po ng plaza po natin. Atong park po natin serve as one of the main attraction po ng ating municipality sa Urbiztondo. So with the improvement of the facilities, maintained cleanliness, people from other places visit po our People's Park po, syempre to see and to put Urbiztondo on the map.
Mas masayang mamasyal pag may dalang pagkain. Sa likod lang ng park makikita ang food street na maraming pagpipili ang budget-friendly snacks. Huwag lang kalimutang itapon sa mga designated trash bins na makikita sa palibot ng park.
Sa Wednesday, sir, sarado kasi bali maintenance day yon. Pero bukas from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. po. Pinapaalala lang po yung mga tao, bawal magkalat. Tapos yung mga playground, gawin nilang pang sarili nila. Tapos mayroon tayong basketball park, yung mga padiga. Tapos sa hapon po may mga nagsusumba. Photoshoot din po. Mga wedding, birthdays, nagpo-photoshoot po sila rito. Sa madaling araw naman po may mga nagja-jogging po.
Kasi masaya po, tapos may playground po. Kasama ko mga best friend ko po. Tapos minsan pinsan ko po. Nagbabanding po kami dito.
People from other places can expect from Urbiztondo, syempre po, the best in terms of food, views, and the people, their hospitality.
From a simple plaza to a fun multi-activity public space, this landmark serves as one of the images of this town. Urbiztondo People's Park serves as witness to every smile and every laughter of both locals and visitors alike. Beautiful stories are bound to be written through the grasses and trees in this destination for all people.